Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi. Gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu. Gana action.
Hi everyone, welcome in Action College. Last time you asked us to make a video giving like Indian basic greetings in this language. Today I'm going to learn them, but after watching this video, if you appreciate, you may even comment to let us make the other lessons, including grammar, tenses, and other lessons as a language. So today we are going to learn greetings in Hindi. So before we start, I want to say that this language have two scripts. There is Sanskrit script, which is this one, and Devanagari. Devanagari is that one, the pronunciations or transliterations. So to make you familiar with this Sanskrit script, which is best one to use, especially in writing letters, sending emails, reading books, it's better to be familiar with this Sanskrit. So today we're going to learn Hindi mein Shubh Kamanaye. Hindi mein Shubh Kamanaye. Greetings in Hindi. The first one is Namaste, for hello, Namaste. And according to Indian culture, you may even say Namaste like this, especially when you are just greeting the people who just you respect. By respect, say Namaste or Namaskar. Namaskar is somehow informal. It's better to say Namaste. But to the friends, with the family members, with the colleagues, you may say Namaskar. For good morning is Shubh Prabhat. Shubh Prabhat for good morning. Shubh Prabhat. Namaste Shubh Prabhat for hello or hi, good morning. Good afternoon is Shubh Aprahan. Shubh Aprahan for good afternoon. Shubh Aprahan. In some cases, you may say Shubh Dopahar ke baad. Because noon is Dopahar in Hindi, you may say Shubh Dopahar ke baad. Say good afternoon. So words per word. Good. Shubh Dopahar after. Afternoons for bad. Dopahar ke baad mean afternoon. For good evening is Shubh Sandhya. Shubh Sandhya in evening. For good night, as Fair will say, Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri for good night. So in Hindi, when you want to say, how are you, say, Aap kaise hain? Aap kaise hain? This is a formal way of saying, how are you in Hindi? Aap kaise hain? But, you know, as we are familiar with this, with many languages, we have like a formal way of greeting and a formal way of greeting. For informal, you say, Tum kaise hain? Tum kaise hain? But tum kaise hai won't sound better as aap kaise hain. For I am fine, if I want to say I am fine, say main theek hoon. Main theek hoon. I am fine. Main theek hoon. The next part is when you want to say my name is. But before saying my name is, someone needs to ask what's your name? Aapka naam kya hai? Aapka naam kya hai? My name is somehow different from English because in English say my name is, then you add this word. But we need to add at the end for verb to be. Mera naam, if my name is like Elijah, I say mera naam Elijah hai. Mera naam Elijah hai. If my name is like Subah, I say mera naam Subah hai. My name is Subah. If my name is Catherine, I say mera naam Catherine hai. For I am from is also a little bit different from the English way because I am from, you add directly where you come from. But here you add se. This is one which stands for from. This se. Me America se. I'm from America. Me Rwanda se. I'm from Rwanda. Me Russia se. I'm from Russia. Just you add me plus your origin, then you say se. This se will be standing for from. After saying your name and where you are from, someone may ask you, what do you do? So when you are a student, you say, me chatre hai. But this hai is standing for chatre, this chatre hai. This hai is going to work on doctor, teacher, and student. At the end, we say hai. Me chatre hai. I am student. Me chatre hai. If you say I am doctor, we say मैं डॉक्टर है, मैं डॉक्टर है. I'm doctor. मैं doctor है. मैं doctor है. I'm doctor. It's a little bit like similar to English. The next one say I'm teacher. So there are three ways you may express teacher in Hindi. First one is adhyapak. Adhyapak. Teacher, adhyapak. So this one is somehow informal, but likely also to be used in Hindi. Adhyapak. मैं adhyapak हैं. I am teacher. मैं adhyapak हैं. You may also say मैं शिक्षक हैं for teacher. मैं शिक्षक हैं. If you are a teacher, say मैं शिक्षक हैं. For example, because I am teacher, say मैं शिक्षक हैं. Religiously or showing respect the person or respect the teacher, you say guru for guru. मैं guru हैं. मैं guru हैं. I am teacher. For nice to meet you is a little bit longer for those ones who are beginners in Hindi or who are just starting to learn Hindi, but slowly by slowly get familiar to it. Like say आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. I repeat once. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई means nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. I repeat. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. The next is goodbye. The next part is also about farewells. Alvida. Alvida. Alvida for goodbye. In many songs you hear the artist saying Alvida. Please repeat this. Most of the people confused who are not familiar with these foreign languages, they may confuse Arabic with the Hindi. For Arabic, we just left, right, like this, Arabic. But if you're not familiar, you may think that they are the same, but they're different. So this alphabet, like you say goodbye in English, goodbye. Say alvida, like this from right, from left to right. Not right to left as half in Arabic. For see you again, say fir milenge. See you again, fir milenge. See you tomorrow is kal milte hain. Kal milte hain. See you tomorrow, or let's meet tomorrow. Kal milte hain. For take care is dhyan rakhna, or is it take care of yourself? Dhyan rakhna. After conversation, you may say, I will leave now, or I want to leave now. You say, ab mein chalte hain, like now I am working, now I am departing. It's like saying, I'm leaving now, see you next time. Say, ab mein chalte hain. Ab mein chalte hain. I'm leaving now. I repeat, ab mein chalte hain. For talk to you later, you say, bad mein bata karte hain. 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 Let's talk to you after or later. For have a good day, you say, Aapka din shubh ho. This is like extend the A. We have A in India, in Hindi, you say A also. Aapka din shubh ho. Aapka din shubh hai. Like have a good day. For good night is Shubh Ratri. Shubh Ratri, as we studied before previously in the greetings. So Dhanyavad. So thank you. This means Dhanyavad, or the way of saying thank you in Hindi. So thank you so much for today's lesson. If you feel like you want to keep learning Hindi, you may comment in the description. Then to let us know which lesson you want to do in Hindi. Thank you so much. Dhanyavad.
Gana action, niba ushaka kwiga indimi, gana action, ushaka kuba umusirimu, gana action.